In addressing the issue of mismatch of supply of graduates and demand from the labor market, the HRDC has adopted sectoral planning approach in which the employees will be defining skills needed in the labor market. Department of Human Resource Development Planning Demand shares more.
I'm Fernando Siamisan, Director for Human Resource Development Planning Demand. Our mandate is to plan human resource development for the entire country, and the process that we follow is demand-led. This means the employers define the skills that they want from our graduates, and in ensuring that everybody is represented, we have established sector committees. They comprise of representatives from employers, both from the public and the private sector. We have worked very hard to ensure that we meet those demands, and so far we have developed the National Human Resource Development Plan and 5 sector plans. This is meant to ensure that there is careful development of human resource both at our public, tertiary institutions, and the process starts from early childhood, primary, secondary, and even in employment. We ensure that the human resources is relevant and cope with the socio-economic and technological challenges, and therefore it's important that we plan for now and for the future. We have so far seen an improvement. We are now seeing our tertiary institutions working with the employers. They have established what they call the industry review committees. This is whereby they sit down with the employers who advise them in terms of the current and future skills that are needed. It's a journey, it cannot be completed in one day. We feel we still have an improvement that we should do, but nevertheless, the fact that the institutions have started working now with the employers is a positive step in the right direction. We are now seeing again students exchange between our local universities and the universities abroad. This is to ensure that our graduates are globally competitive. We still have to improve in terms of whereby we see trainers from the industry doing the actual training in our tertiary institutions. We still have to see our lecturers during vacation who have to go and retune themselves and work in the industry. Our dream is to ensure that during vacations, those lecturers participate in solutions in terms of research in the industry. This is to ensure that our lecturers are up to date. For us to produce innovators, we need to continually retool and upskill the lecturers as well. We stand a better chance to produce innovators as a country if our trainers are also innovators, and we believe we'll continually encourage this. And like I said before, this is a journey. One day we will also be competitive as a country as well. In terms of the National Human Resource Development Plan that we have forwarded for Cabinet to consider approving it, we are calling on all stakeholders to participate in making sure that we produce a globally competitive human resource. The education training providers are trying their level best to prepare graduates who will be globally competitive, but we want to start encouraging employers to give our graduates a chance in employment, because for us to export labor, the global market needs graduates with experience and expertise gained from work. And therefore I call everybody to give our graduates a chance now that we are working with them in preparing these graduates. I thank you very much.